Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Textbook 2 Exercise 10.5 Question number 1. If F is a constant force generated by the motor of an auto, its velocity V is given by m dV by dt equal F minus kV, where k is a constant. Express V in terms of t given that V equals 0 when t equals 0. Here the given equation is m dV by dt equal F minus kV. By variable separable, separating variables, we can write m dV by F minus kV equal dt over m. Now integrating both sides, we get dV F minus kV equal dt over m. Now integrating dV over k F minus kV is log F minus kV, and derivative of V is minus k, that is divided equal t over m plus constant c. You can put, instead of c, you can put constant log c also, you can put. Now further you can say log of F minus kV equal minus kt over m plus minus k log c log of F minus kV equal minus kt over m plus minus k log c is still log c, you can put. Now log c collecting one side, log one side, log of f minus kV minus log c equal minus kt by m. Log m minus log n is log m by n, that is log of f minus kV over c equal minus kt over m. Now taking e power, which gives e power log of f minus kV by c is f minus kV by c equal e power minus kt over m, which is further f minus kV over c equal 1 over e power minus kt over m. Now we will apply the conditions, arbitrary condition. Now from that we can get c equal C equal F minus KV into division e power minus KT over M, which is equal F minus KV e power go up as KT over M. Let it be 1. Now, when the conditions when V equals 0, T equals 0 given, then substitute C equal F minus K into 0 e power KT over M. Therefore, which gives here also so 0 K into T 0 here. There we have C equal F minus 0 e power 0, which is equal C equal F, because e power 0 is 1. Further, we'll give some space for this continuation. Now, therefore, the equation 1 becomes F. Here we have the equation C equal to F. We have F equal therefore F is F minus KV into e power KT over M, where C equal to F. If you substitute C equal to F here, so therefore C equal to F we are substituting here. Therefore, this is a equation for the F. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.